guys, Learning with Rich here in this video for our last topic in our circuiting series of videos. So this time around, I'm going to teach you the last part about tagging our panels and devices. Okay, so I'm gonna show that to you. So it's a very quick video, so I'm just going to show you how to put tags on your panels and devices. So aside from that, as a bonus, I'm going to teach you as well how to change the circuit number of your load. Okay, so let's say, for example, if I'm going to select this wire, if we check out the properties here, you will notice that the panel that is this wire assigned to is FACP01, right? And then as you can see, the circuits here is assigned to 1. So let's say, for example, I want to change this to, let's say, circuit number 2, circuit number 3, circuit number 5, or circuit number 6, or whatever circuit number that you want. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, let's try to tag our devices. Okay, or let's say our wiring. So what I'm gonna do is to tag, I just need to select tag by category, or you can also use TG. So that's the shortcut of tag by category. Okay, so I'm going to select tag by category, and then after that, for this one, I'm going to tag my home run here. Okay, so this wire that is connected to my device here, as you can see, if I hover my pointer to my device here, it shows me the circuit number as well, right? Okay, it will show you the circuit number, but instead of putting to my devices here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tag my wire here, my home run. So before you place it, you have an option here if you want to include the leader line. Okay, so I'm going to check the leader here, and instead of attach end, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select free end so I can move my leader line freely. Okay, so I'm going to select free end, and then I'm going to select my home run. There you go. And then let's say I'm just going to pick here, and then I'm going to place one here. All right. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my tag here. So let's say, for example, I also want to include here the panel where these wires or these devices are connected. So like, for example, it is connected to fire alarm control panel 01. So let's say I want this panel name to be included to my tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the tag. So just select that, and then you can select here edit family. So when you select edit family, the next thing that you are going to do is you select the circuits, and then you can edit here the label. So I'm going to select edit label, and then from here I'm going to add the panel name from the category parameters. So there's the panel, so just double click that, it will be added here. Okay, so that's the sample value, and then what I'm gonna do here for the suffix, I'm just going to put comma and then space. Okay, and then I'm just going to select here OK, and this is now how it looks like. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just going to adjust it something like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to load this to my project. So load into project, and then I'm just going to overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. Just click that, and there you have it. Okay, so you just place now your uh, tag together with the circuit number together with the panel here. So again, you can still modify that if you want. So every time you tag your wire, so let's say I want to tag this one, so I'm going to select that and then move it here. As you can see, it shows me there my uh, uh, panel number or the panel name. Okay, and then modify. So that's how you edit that one. Okay, and another thing, what you can do is you can also add some tags to your panels. Okay, so aside from the wires that is coming from your devices, so you can also add some tags to your panels. So let me just edit this one first. I do not want to include the leader. So let's say I just uncheck the leader, and then I'm just going to put it here. Okay, just like that. So same with this, I select, uncheck the leader, I'll just put it here. Okay, or yeah, okay, there you go. So let me just add another tag here. So let me select this, right click, create similar, and then I just pick this one. Okay, so let me just uncheck the leader here. So I pick this, there you go, modify, there you go. Okay, so what else? So we still have more here. So tag, uncheck the leader, let's place it here, and then we're going to place, do we have, okay, so we need to place one here as well, and there you go. So I select modify to cancel it, and then I'm going to just tidy up your tagging. Okay, so this is very important so that you can communicate effectively your floor plan to your client or to other stakeholders. Okay, so aside from that, let me just go to my panel here. So as you can see, we already have here the call out. So I'm going to open the call out, just double click that, and then from here I'm going to put a tag. So I'm going to select the tag here, tag by category, and then I'm going to place one here. Now for this one, I'm going to add a leader, and I'm going to select attach end, like that one, modify, and then I'm just going to tidy up my tag. So I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to edit it, and then I'm going to add a leader arrowhead. So instead of none, so I'm going to select here, let's say 20 degrees. So just select that one, and then select here OK. There you go. All right. So I'm just going to tag this one as well. So I'm going to tag, select, there you go. Again, we can align this to our tag here, just like that, so that it's tidy. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to tag this one as well. So tag. So for this one, I think there's no name yet. Okay, so I think this is our uh, FCIP. Okay, so our firefighters control and indicating panel. So I'm just going to update this. FCIP01. FCIP01. Okay, there you go. And then again, just align it so that it's tidy. All right. So basically, that's how you tag your the wires that is coming from your devices and then your panels. Now, the next thing that I'm going to show you quickly is that how are you going to change, let's say, for example, the wire or the circuit number. So let's say I do not want this to be circuit number 2. I want this, let's say, circuit number 4 or 5 or whatever circuit number that you want. So what you can do is you can go select first, or since you already know that this is connected to FACP01 panel, so what you can do, you go to the panel schedule, the FACP01, and then here what you can do is you can add spare here actually for your circuit. So let me just show you how to add. Let me just delete these spares and space. So I'm just going to select all of this, and then I'm just going to remove. Okay, so you can add the spare here. So let's say the number 4, the circuit number 4. I want this to be the spare. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select that, and then I can add here assign spare or assign space. So in my case, I'm going to select assign spare here. So just select that, and then there you go. So you now have a spare. Now, so let's say my circuit number 2, my kitchen 110 here, it's on circuit number 2. I do not want that to be on the circuit number 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that, and then I can select here move to. Just click that, and then you can click, let's say, circuit number 5. So you will notice it will now go to circuit number 5. Okay, you can actually select here as well, move down. So let's say my office 125. So I click that, and then I can select move down. You see, it moves down, right? So I click that, I can select move down. So it's now moved here. So let's say my kitchen number 1, I want this to be at the top one at circuit number 1, for example. So you just click that, and then you can select move up, or again, you can use move to. But for this one, let us use move up. Okay, so our kitchen, is it kitchen? So move up, and then kitchen, move up. There you go. Right? Okay, so basically that's how you edit your circuit number. Because if you are going to level 1, as you can see, it's now updated. Our kitchen 110 is now on circuit number 1. Okay, you cannot just simply select your circuit here. Like for example, you tab and then you highlight the circuit. You cannot just simply change here the circuit number. So you need to go to the panel schedule and then update the panel schedule circuit number. Okay, so that's how you do it. Alright, so that's it for our video for tagging our panels, our devices, and how to update our circuit number. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video, guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.